Hello everyone. In the previous video we learned how do we star a message or unstar it. But where does these messages go? So let's learn it now. How to find star messages on WhatsApp, right? Go to the chat section, the main area, and click on three dots. There you will see the fourth option, that is start messages. From here you can see all the messages that you start. Like I have been doing this since more than 2 to 3 years, and this is actually helpful when you want to save such messages that you would like to see later sometime, any information, anything. So from this section you see all your start messages. Now what you can do is you can just click on that particular message and you will be directed towards the chat in which that message has been stored, right? So as I'm clicking on that poster, I'm directed towards the chat in which that message is present. In this Apeksha, she sent me a poster, and when I'm clicking on the poster in the start section, I am going to the chat with Apeksha on the day's chat where she sent me this poster. So that is how we can check the messages that we star like way back. So it is very easy to track down, as I said in the previous video as well. And it will be helpful if you want to also check out the messages around that star message area, because you will be directing towards that chat where the message was shared, right? So that's how we do it. If you have any queries, you can drop in the comment section. I have blurred some part because that is not for you to see. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries, again as I'm saying, drop in the comment section. You have new topics for us to make, you're welcome. Always drop in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. See you. Tada.